Hey, my friend Akram here from ClickFunnels Tech Support, and I understand that you're having an issue with your page not showing up as it should. So when you preview your page, it actually doesn't show up as you have edited it in your account. So after looking into your account, I see that you removed the domain, which is an advice that my colleagues gave you. And that's correct, because right now your page seems to be working fine on my own end. So it could be just a cache issue on your own side, which if you do clear your cache, it should work properly as it should. Okay, so bear with my internet for a second, and once it loads up, I will show you my own findings in your account. Okay. Okay, so now that it has opened up, I would show you. I previewed the page here, and then I went into the editor. So this is what the editor looks like as of now. So let's just go down and see everything. Right, so everything looks good. Boom, 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 boom. All right. Okay, so let me show you the preview. There's a pop-up, so I'm just going to take this off. But the preview looks exactly like what's in the editor. Let me go ahead and zoom in a bit so that we can see if there's any difference. But yeah, so it does look like it's exactly the way it's set up in the editor. So this looks fine. Of course, you can let me know if you see anything different that I'm not seeing. But in my opinion, it looks exactly the same as what's in the editor. Okay, so I hope this works. Let me know, and if it doesn't, you can go ahead and let me know. Okay, bye for now.